Okay, so let's set up a virtual programming lab assignment in Moodle or E-class for C. And specifically, we're going to be looking at the C11 version or variant of C. So we're going to name the assignment right here. We're going to give it a short description. It'll be graded out of 100. You can always modify that value if you want to. And we're going to be auto grading. So automatically grading, which is great for asynchronous learning. All right, so here we go. So we got a grade of 100. We save and display. And we go into the gear icon right here. And we can specify the local execution server. So either we can practice using the server that's used by the developers in Spain. So you don't specify anything in here. Or you specify the local server that's been set up. And then you put end of jails at the end of that so that it only uses that server and not the one in Spain. Next up, I'm going to set up other options here for the assignment. Let's take a look at execution options. So we're going to go and specify that we are going to be running the script based on the C programming language, and more specifically C11 right there. We're going to allow running of the program and evaluation for marks, and we're going to be doing auto grading as well. All right, so that's all done right there. Requested files. Now this is the template. So typically with a beginning student, you want to give everything in the template right here. You want to make sure that the template is ends with the .c extension. That's super important. So I'm going to write out the program like this right here. So we're going to include standard io.h. We're going to set up our main function. You can see that things are color syntax highlighted. We're doing a printf, and we've got a string in there for hello world, and we return 0. We hit save. This is our template. I could have made it less complete for the students, but in this case, for the sake of this exercise and this demonstration, that's what we're going to do. All right, so we go into execution files, and we're going to set up our test case here in VPL evaluate.cases. So there's only one test case, and we're looking for the string hello world, like that. That's what we're going to be evaluating. Hit save, and that's what we're going to evaluate our students' program against. So we've done the local execution servers, we've set up which files are going to be used. Now we can switch over to demo student mode right there. So fake student mode. I'm no longer an instructor now. I can click on the assignment. This is what the students would see. I could, from here, click on the edit tab right there. We get to see the template. You hit save, then run using the rocket. It does hello world. That's fantastic. Now we can evaluate using that check mark. But you know, the student might come in a different way. They might come in through the grade book like this, where they have no grade at all. We click on the assignment right there, go back into that edit tab. And there we go. That's the program. We're going to hit evaluate. And there's the result right there, 100 out of 100. And one test was run, one test passed. Fantastic. We can see that, that it worked. The program worked and it got graded. That's fantastic. And we can see the grade was recorded in the grade book. The student should be happy because of that. All right. Excellent. Thank you.